Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be playing Garton Of BanBan. So let's get straight into it. Okay, it's office. Okay. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Okay. What happened? Why are there like boards on that seat over there? Okay, the door's open. The boards are gone. Is that a sus substance on the wall on Mr. Fiddlestick or whatever his name is? Okay, now the room's red. Okay. In the first lesson of horror, we're gonna learn that if it's red, it means bad. Oh, is that a key card? Okay, let's grab this key card. I presume we're supposed to grab it. Okay, there's a blue door over there, so I assume we're supposed to scan this key card. Okay. Oh, it's the drone! That's how you get it. Okay, I got it. Okay. Requires 2 batteries. Okay. Oh, here's one right here. Okay, we got a battery. If I can ever click it for the life of me. Give me the battery! Okay, I got it. Okay, we're good. Okay, we got 2 batteries. I didn't read the instruction. How many batteries do we need? Can I call it? Oh! Press the remote icon to use your toy. Oh. What happened? Controls. Okay. Am I supposed to do this one? Is it even touching it? Just gonna look at it. Why is there a bird with bloodshot eyes? Okay. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there's that bird again. I'm supposed to... It's a Opila bird, right? Am I supposed to go in there? What's this? The end is here. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is... Why my pancreas? Captain... I knew it was Captain Fiddlestick. Ooga booga booga ooga. Okay. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Okay. Okay, I think I'm just supposed to go in here. Still like instructions or something? I wanna know what I have to do. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay. I assume I have to find 6 eggs. Well, there's one. Do I like have to go down and give it an egg every time I find one? Here you go. Do I like shove it down your throat or something? Oh. I need to find all of them. Okay. What? Okay. So, we gotta find these eggs. Oh, shoot. Oh, what's this? Can I press it? there's another egg. How do I get it? I'm trying to get the egg. Ah! Give me the egg! No. What? Give me the egg. I need it! Okay. Is there like an order I need to get them in? I've only found 2 eggs, one of which can't even pick up. So, sorry, Opila bird. I need to find your eggs you would like to eat. Are they like only in this room, or are they like scattered around the area? Oh, here's one. Okay, we got 2 eggs. And there was one over there. Right? There's one right there. Okay. Okay. Why won't I pick up this egg? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah, okay. That's 4. No, 3 eggs. Okay. No, I don't need to call the drill. Where are these other eggs? I bet you they're in like easy spots, but I'm just like not smart, so I have no clue where they are. Oh my god. Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs? Seriously. I need an egg. Okay. Where are these eggs? I've only found half of them. Are they like out here? Wow. The toy cannot be directly commanded. Okay, to break up materials such as yellow gas. Where are your eggs? No. Find eggs, okay. Can't find these eggs. Where are these eggs? Oh shoot. Oh, I did not mean to do that. God. Where is this bird's eggs? Opila bird. What is an Opila bird? Like, is it just something like made up for this game, or is it like an actual species of bird? I don't think it is. Oh, let's go! I found one. Okay. Okay, there's one. Okay. Now we need 2 more. If I were an egg, where would I be? I don't know, because I'm not an egg. No egg. egg. Hold up, let me go feed Opila bird the eggs I have found. Eat! Eat! Crap. Okay. More eggs. Where are these? Oh, what's this? What did I do? What happened? Okay. It was a key card slot. Ooh, that button lit up. Let me go look over here. Ooh, there's one. Give me that. Oh. Egg. Okay, oh, shoot. I'm going to try to hit this button. And we'll see if I can find it. Where was I? Oh yeah, I was gonna hit this button. Okay. Button. Get pressed. Like Joan. Where is he? Where did my drone go? Oh. Stuck on a slide. Okay, let me try to hit this button right here. Again. Stupid drone. Okay, can I get it over here? Where'd it go? Okay. Well, it's not stuck on the slide anymore, so. Please press the button. No! Come on, press the gosh darn button. No. Oh, did it hit? I think it did. Oh, look, an egg. I think that might be it. I'm gonna go shove these down Opila's throat. I'm gonna go shove these down Opila's throat and see. Okay. Egg. 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 Cheese! Oh my god, such a thoughtful gift. Cheese. Actually, the yellow key card doesn't seem that bad. Now here's... I just made that green. Oh, what the heck was that? I made that green. Can I open this? Okay. Oh, it did open. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I swear, if this drone doesn't figure out that it needs to go in here. Where's the drone? Where's the drone? Oh, there it is. Okay. What you want to do, drone? Come over here. Come here. Come here. Where'd it go? Oh my God, this drone. Get to the roof. No, oh my God. Seriously? There. This drone better know how to go in a straight line. Okay. Now what this drone go into the naughty corner. You, oh my God. Oh, what the? It could do that the whole time? Okay, now drone. Work your magic, okay? Oh my God. Didn't even hit it. Okay. Drone, work your magic. Work your magic, is green. I think I did it. Oh, what the? These chairs are so glitchy. Let's just get it in this room. Stupid drone is like literally broken. It doesn't know how to move. Either I'm just bad at controlling it or it's bad at moving. I'm gonna say okay, I guess I did. But is that a hammer? Let's read this though, actually. Distracted at 1. I don't know what to think of that, but I see a hammer, and I remember there were boards in Opila's area, and I might not be using the best logic, but okay, yeah, okay, where are we? Jump, use the jump icon, okay, emergency stop. Move cycle. What does it say? Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure you smile. I'm not quite positive laughter is medicine. Is there like a button I have to press? Oh no, I have to scan my key card. Okay. There's a couch I have to jump on. Okay. Couch I have to jump on. Okay. Why a couch? There's a... What was my color? Oh, what's this? Hold on. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is honey. Why is bird honey? Okay. What was my color? None of those are colors. What am I supposed to do here? Why are none of those are? If I'm supposed to think about like what the color is, or am I supposed to just like pick the last thing I encounter? Well, I see a button right there, so hope my drone has. Okay, the drone just doesn't work. I have no idea what to do here. There's like BanBan, Bambolina, Jumbo Josh, Opila Bird, Captain Fiddles, and Stinger Flynn. But who do I click? None of those are colors. Maybe I just press all the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, did that do anything? It didn't do anything. Oh. That makes, okay, you're red. You're white. Okay. You are green. So, yeah. You are pink, right? Red. That's right. Okay, and you, I think you're blue, right? And then you, I know you are orange.
Look at this pretty Christmas tree.
What? Oh, it worked. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a key card. Should grab that. Okay. There's like an invisible wall here. Oh my God. I was not expecting that. Why was I jump scared? Why? What? Okay. I don't know what that was, but oh my God, she's right there. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. See ya.